Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepthi, and in today's lecture you'll be learning about Shariropakramaniya Shaarira. First, we'll know what is the meaning of the word Sharira. It is one of the most important concepts of Ayurveda, which is commonly referred as the human body. But in the real sense, in Ayurvedic views, it has a very deep meaning. We'll explore what is that today. In this lecture, you will be learning about the introduction, the Sharira Vyakhyana, that is the definition of the Sharira, Sharira Vyakhyana, what is the definition of the Sharira, and the importance of studying about the Sharira. First, we'll see what is the main two principles of Ayurveda, that is Swastasya Swastha Rakshanam and Aturasya Vikara Prashramanam. Swastasya Swasthya Rakshanam means we have to maintain healthy body and healthy mind for the healthy person. We have to maintain the swastha of a swasthya purusha. And Aturasya Vikara Prashamanam. It refers as to decrease the vikaras, that is the disease in a diseased person. Atura here is the patient and vikara is the disease and prashamana is to relieve. We have to relieve the patient from the diseases. This is the second main principle of Ayurveda. This governs the main entity of the science of life. And we'll see what is the meaning of the word Sharira and Sharira. In this lecture, you will be learning elaborately about the word meanings. First, as a brief introduction, we will see what are those. The Sanskrit term Sharira means body, and Sharira means pertaining to the body. Sharira Vijnana means the knowledge, the study, or the science pertaining to the body. This knowledge is broadly classified into two, the anatomy and the physiology. Anatomy referred as the structure of the body, whereas the physiology is the study of the functions of the body. In Sanskrit, anatomy is known as Rachana Sharira or the Rachana Sharira Vijnana. The physiology is known as Kriya Shariram or the Kriya Vijnanam. Sharira Kriya Vijnana. Okay? And Shariropakramaniya. What is that word meaning? On introduction to the body. And Upakramaniya means introductory remarks. This term can mean something like pertains to initiation or the process of something that is starting. Okay? This Sharira is the body proper and the Sharira is pertaining to the body. Shariropakramaniya Shaarira, it deals with all the aspects of Sharira and the Purusha. In this chapter of Shariropakramaniya Shaarira, you will be learning about the definition of the Sharira, the Anga Pratyangas of the Sharira, importance of its all the knowledge and the Dhatu Veda Purusha, etc. The basic knowledge of the normal and the abnormal study of the human body is very much essential. We have because we have to perform the main two principles of Ayurveda, so we have to know what are the structures and the functions of the normal and the abnormal human body. First, we'll see the etymology of the Sharira. Okay, let's start with the root word, that is Shu. Shu Dhatu is the root word. Okay, and the suffix is the Iran Pratyaya. When we add the suffix Iran Pratyaya to the Shu Dhatu, there is a word formation of Sharira. The word meaning of Sharira is one which keeps on depleting. Shru means Hinsayam and Shu plus Iran is Sharira. Hinsayam means there is violence or the hurt or to destroy. So in Ayurveda, the body is something that is naturally involved in the process of growth, wear and tear and transforming continuously. This is called as the Sharira. Okay. And the word Utpatti of this Sharira is according to the Garbhopanishad, it goes as Ashraya. Shri means Shrayani. Sharira means Ashraya. This gives an um, Ashraya to certain kind of elements like prana, atma, chetana, dosha, dhatu, and mala. So it is like a house that uh, where so many elements resides in it. It is not only a physical entity but also certain essential elements are present in that. And what is Garbhopanishad? It is one of the Upanishads in one of the Upanishads of the minor Upanishads that discusses the development of the human body from the embryo. And according to the Garbhopanishad, it is considered that the Kaya Agni, it has various forms in the body. That is Jnanagni, Darshanagni, and Koshagni. Jnanagni is the knowledge of the Sukha and the Dukkha. It is the fire of knowledge which helps us to understand the world around us. Whereas the Darshanagni, it is the knowledge of observation. This gives us the power of perception, allowing us to understand the details and the patterns of the life. Whereas the Koshtagni, it is the metabolism, the fire of gut, which is responsible for the metabolism and the processing of the food that is intake and converting it into energy which supports the body. This Agni is very much important to maintain the physical and the mental health. We saw the definition, the etymology of Sharira. Now we see the etymology of Sharira. Sharira derivation, the term Sharira, it is derived from further grammatically modulating the term Sharira. The Sharira term, it is derived from the grammatical modulation itself, where the Sharira is the noun and Sharira is the adjective, which means pertaining to the body. Next, we'll see the definition of the Sharira. Shiryate iti shariram, shiryate hinasti atmanam iti shariram. This is very important slogan from Charaka Sharira 8th chapter 40th quotation. What is that? Shiryate iti shariram means that is involved in continuous process of degeneration. Shiryate hinasti atmanam iti shariram, which means it itself undergoes certain kind of changes, the physiobiological changes, where from one form to another there is transformation, there is wear and tear, there is growth in the body. That is called as the Sharira. Shiryate pratikshanam apachiyat iti Sharira. Every second by second, pratikshanam apachiyat iti Sharira means every moment there is the breakdown of the cells. There is cell division that is taking place. That is called as the Sharira. There is metabolical process that is by the Kaya Agni. Due to this, there is changes in the dhatus. About the dhatus, there are 7 dhatus. The Sapta dhatus changes, Uttara dhatu formation, etc. How it is being nourished. It is due to the Agni that is impacted on the Ahara. So, this change due to the metabolism in the body is considered as the Sharira. According to certain Samhitas, what is the definition of Sharira? According to Charaka, it is Tatra Shariram Nama Chetanadishtana Bhutam Panchamahabhuta Vikara Samudayatmakam Samyoga Vahi. What is that? What is the meaning of this slogan? That means there is Adhishtana of Chetana. Chetana is nothing but the Atma, along with the Panchamahabhuta. The Atma and the Panchamahabhuta together forms the Sharira. The Sharira is Samyoga Vahi, which means it is a vehicle or a carrier of the balanced combination of these Saptadhatus, Tridoshas, and the Trimalas. Okay, this is called as the Sharira. Then, what is the definition according to the Sushruta? Shukra Shonitam Garbhashayastam Atma Prakriti Vikara Samurchita Garbha Ityuchate Tam Chetanavasthitam Vayurvibhajate Tejena Pachiti Apa Kledeti Prithvi Samhanti Akasham Vivardeti Em Vivarditaha Sa Yada Hastapada Jihva Grana Karna Nitambadivi Angairupestada Shariram iti sanya labate. That means when there is the combination of the Shukra and the Shonita along with the Atma with the Panchamahabhuta and its Vikara, that is, a Prakriti is nothing but the Panchamahabhuta and the Vikriti that is present in the body, that is the disorders, total on that combines to form the Garbha. Okay. So, next he explained the role of the Panchamahabhutas. What does the Panchamahabhutas do in the Garbha? Tam Chetanavasthitam Vayur Vibhajati. That means the Vayu helps in the Vibhajana of the cells. There is the process of cell division. Teja ena pachati. Teja means it helps in the process of pachana. Pachana means metabolism of the cells and the tissues. Apa kledayati. Apa helps in the process of kledana, which provides certain kind of moistureness, that is the nourishment to the cells and the tissues. Prithvi samhanti. Prithvi helps in samhanana, that means to provide the compactness, the structure to the cells and the tissues. The akasham vivardayati. Akasha helps in the vivardana. There is expansion and there is development of the body. There is cell division. There is the growth of the cells. That is due to the akasha mahabhuta. By the role of 5 elements in the Garbha, the Garbha differentiates and develops into Anga Pratyangas like hand, foot, tongue, nose, ears, hip, region, etc. That's what we told. Evam Vivarditaha Sa Yada Hasta, that is the hands, Pada, foot, Jihva, tongue, Grana, nose, Karna, ears, Nitam Badibi, that means the hip region. All these Anga Pratyangas are being developed in the womb. After the development of this Anga Pratyangas itself, there is a formation of the Sharira. There is complete shape and size to the embryo. So, according to Sushruta Samhita, the body is the developmental product of the embryo in the womb. It is called body when it develops the organs and the organ subsidiaries. That means it is formed from the organs, that is the angas and the anga pratyangas or the organ subsidiaries. It also says that when it acquires all these organs, it is named as the body. And let's think why Sushruta has emphasized on the development of organs before calling it as the Sharira. Why has he made it like that? In Ayurveda, the fully formed body isn't just an anatomical structure. It is an integral part of all the vital organs, which plays a vital role. So, only when the structure of fully developed organs are formed, which is able to recite the prana in it. If the organs are incompletely formed, there is no prana in it. That's why the Acharya Sushruta has emphasized after the formation of all the organ, when the prana resides, there is Sharira formation in a complete form. The synonyms of the Sharira. Let's have what the quick names. What are the synonyms of the Sharira? Kalevaram, Gatram, Vapuhu, Samhananam, Shariram, Varsha, Vigraha, Kayo, Deha, Kliba, Pumso, Kiyam, Murtistanu, Stanuhu. Okay, this is very important. You have to memorize the slogan or remember the key points. And you may wonder, why does this is the quotation from Amarakosha? So you may wonder, why does Amarakosha provide so many synonyms? Why not only Sharira be referred everywhere? And we'll know why it is. In Sanskrit, each synonym is not just a word, it captures certain kind of aspect or quality that defines the body in various ways. So, there are certain words which emphasize certain qualities. That's why when we have the slogans, the particular words are being used. This reflects the Ayurvedic perspective, where body is not just a physical entity, it is a vehicle for life, health, and the consciousness, the Atma, the prana, everything exists in the Sharira. That's why we have so many types of synonyms. These are the synonyms. And we know what are the meanings of the synonyms. Kalebaram. Kalebaram means the seven. Varam means, Kalam means the seven, whereas a Varam means the best. Since the body is the product of the good semen, it is called as the Kalebara. Gatra. It is derived from the word gang, which means to move. There is locomotion in the body. That's why there is called as the gatram. Vapuhu. Vapanam means sowing of the seeds. Vapu means the seed that is sown by the parent. That implies the hereditary nature of the human body. Okay, samhananam means which joins together or aggregated. The body is made up by the union of all this aggregation of the Pancha Mahabhuta. That's why it is called as a samhanana. Varshma. A varshma means to irrigate. Varsha sechane. I don't know why this has come. It's okay. Varshma means to irrigate. That means there is proper nourishment to the body. So we have called it as Varshma. Vigraha means to grasp various things. That means to receive various types of sukha, dukkha, etc. The Deha means to grow. There is Deha Upachiyate. That means every time there is cell division, there is transformation. That's why we call it as Deha. Murtitaha. Murtitaha means the root word is a moha, that is a confusion, and samurchyam, that is to increase. Since the body acts forgetting its position, the meaning confusion is relevant to the case of the body. That means there is confusion, there is samurchyam. The body will have certain change in the position, change in the body structure, there is confusion. That's why it is called as a murtitaha. Kayaha, that means which to grow with the help of the foot. This term is derived from the root word chin, which means to accumulate. Tanuhu, the word tanu means vistara, and karana, that is the instrument. That means the body has the efficiency to reproduce and it helps in the extension of the universe. Tanuhu means it is same as the word tanu. The deha and the kaya, it remind us of the body, that is something that grows and there is changes. Okay, Vigraha and Murtitaha emphasizes on the individuality and the form of each person. And whereas the Tanu and the Tanhu, which tells about the delicateness and the subtlety of the body. Together, these terms provide a proper picture of the Sharira in Ayurvedic terms. We'll see what is the definition of Sharira. Now we have learned the definition of the Sharira. Now we'll see the definition of Sharira. This line is very important. शरीरिका भावम् अधिकृत्य कृतो अध्यायः शारीरः शरीरम् अधिकृत्य कृतं तन्त्रं शारीरम्. That means the science that which deals with the knowledge of how the human body is built. This science is called as the Sharira or the Rachana Shastra. This gives us the knowledge of the Sharira. It is a structural study of the human body that is known as the Rachana Sharira Shastra or Sharira Rachana Shastra. Now we'll see the importance of the study of the Sharira. Sharire chaiva shastre cha drishtartha syat visharadaha drishtashruthabhyam sandeham avapyohya charet kriyaha. That means, according to the Sushruta Samhita, this is a quotation from Sushruta Sharira, which gives importance of the knowledge of the body, where Sharire chaiva shastre cha drishtartha syad visharadaha. That means one can have the knowledge of the Shastra by becomes an expert physician. That means like one who is having the practical knowledge of the Shastra by the observation. Sharire chaiva shastre cha drishtartha syad visharadaha drishta shrutabhyam deha asandeham avapyoha charet kriyaha. One who is having the practical knowledge of the body, observation and the texture knowledge, that is the Sharira, the Drishtartha by the observation, and the Shastra, that is the textual knowledge, will become an expert physician without any doubt. This is asandeha. Okay. And next one, this is the importance according to the acharyas, where they have elaborated in the texts. Sharira vichayaha shariropakaraarthamishate ज्ञात्वा हि शरीर तत्वं शरीरोपकारकरेषु भावेषु ज्ञानमुप उत्पद्यते तस्मात् शरीर विषयं प्रशंसन्ति कुशलः. That means Charaka Samhita states that by knowing the knowledge of the principle of the body, one would be able to attain the knowledge about the useful things of the body. Hence, the experts praise the science. This is a brief description. We'll see, like splitting the shloka. Sharira vichayam shariropakarartham nishyate. That means knowing the body that is essential for its proper care. Sharira vichaya. Shariropakarartham nishyate. That means like knowing the essentials of the body. Think it of a map. Without it, how would a traveler know where to go? For example, like without understanding the human body structure, how will the physician be able to know what organ is placed in which quadrant or which area? This knowledge gives the physician to have a better understanding of the disease and to provide the treatment protocol in a proper way, which helps in the healing process. ज्ञात्वा हि शरीरतत्त्वं शरीरोपकारकरेषु भावेषु ज्ञानम् उत्पद्यते. That means understanding the true nature of the body, the Sharira Tattva, the nature of the body. A physician gains the knowledge. Jnanam utpadyate. That means the physician gains the knowledge that is necessary for the care. So, tasmat sharira vishayam prashamsanti kushalaha. Because of this, the wise and the skilled practitioners, that is the kushala, will have greater value and praise, uh, greatly value and praise the study of the body. Tasmat Sharira Vishaya. This Kushalas praise the Sharira Vichayas for knowing more and helping to heal the human body which is present with the disease. Next one. Shariram Sarvartha Sarva Sarvada Veda Yobishak Ayurvedam Sa Kar Snena Veda Loka Sukhaprada. That means this book, the Rachana Sharira, 6th chapter, 19 shloka, says that who knows a body well thoroughly in all the aspects, understands this science of Ayurveda completely, and will provide sukha to the loka. He says that Shariram Sarvartha Sarva Sarvada Veda Yo Bishak. That means a physician who knows thoroughly about the body. Okay, Bishak is the physician. Ayurvedam sa kartsnena Veda Loka Sukha Pradam. Therefore, he can bring happiness to the universe. Next shloka, that is Sharira Sankyam Yo Veda Sarvavayavasho Vishak Tad Jnana Nimittena Sa Mohena Na Yujyate. That means in the context of enumerating the organs, that means Sharira Sankhya Yo Veda Sarvavayavasho Vishak. There is importance of the knowledge of anatomy. It is stated that the physician who is well versed with these enumeration of the parts will not get confused with his practice. Tad jnana nimittena. This knowledge is very important. Sa mohena na yujyate. He does not get confused with the science, the knowledge that is present. So for in the practical aspect, you can think of the real situations when there is surgery. The surgeon should know what are the organs, what are the nerves, the vessels, the tendons, the ligaments that is present in the human body before having the surgery. That way, the understanding of the body in that very minute level helps the physician to heal better, to have the the surgery better in a better way. He will have the confidence to do the procedure in a proper way. So this ends the first point, that is the introduction and the definition of the Sharira and the Sharira. You have to memorize certain shlokas. These wordings are very much important. These two slogans are very important, and this slogan also. This you can memorize the key points. These are very important. And this quotation too, this comes in the previous shloka itself. This you can memorize the key points, or else the slogan, if you write, it will be very much impressive. This line is important. This is not that important, but if you are able to reproduce the slogan, it is well and good. But if you write the key points like this, you will be able to fetch marks. And here too, some of the key points are important. You can write those key points like Sharira Vichaya Shariropakramaniya and the Sharira Tattva word and the Jnanam Utpadyate word. Okay. And here also certain like key points which you can remember. These key points, if you write it with the English meanings, it will be very much helpful for fetching the marks. So this session ends with the definitions and the introduction with the importance of the Sharira. In next chapter, we'll be focusing on the Anga Pratyangas. So for now, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.